We are going to fire up this Ottaway Locomotive today. I don't know the last time it ran. We've kind of checked it all out, replaced all the plumbing, new soft plug, new safety valve. Let's see how things go. There we got a fire going. It'll match like charcoal, and we'll either switch over to some wood or some coal and go from there. So we're a few minutes in here. I did plug the shop air into it just so we could run the blower a little bit to give it a little more draw. These small little boilers are so bad about getting a good draw on them. I have this pipe on there too to cause a little bit extra draw, but without the blower it's really hard to get very good draw on the fire, to get a fire going. So the shop air definitely helps with that. Miniature trains always need miniature coal shovels. Don't forget your shovel. So here we are a little while later, off the shop air for our blower. Sitting, I don't know, 75 pounds or so there. That's good coal fire going still. We'll get up a little more pressure and we'll try our injectors and go from there. Here we are, running on steam. Nothing wrong with that. Hey guys, just kind of follow up after this kind of shorter video. We did end up having some issues with the injectors after we fired this up. They would pick up water, but they would not put water into the boiler. We're going to remove the injectors and clean them up and hope for the next time that everything goes a little bit better. But thought you guys would enjoy this nice little short video, a little different than normal. So hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Jay Iron.